Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Paradhi Hoja. I'm a sports physiotherapist. Today let's talk about the lower back pain and also a condition called as a sacroiliitis. Sacroiliitis, which is also inflammation of the sacrum bone, which is on the back. Now what tends to happen, I tend to see people who say that I am not able to bend forward comfortably or lift anything from the ground comfortably, and there's a tightness in the lower back and I am unable to do certain activities. Now what tends to happen is that the lower back muscle, which is your paraspinal muscles on the back here, just along the spine, which basically tend to get overused because of a sudden activity which you are lifting or bending down towards, and also the muscle of the glute, which is on the sides. Now the sacrum bone is here, which is basically going down and attaching onto the tailbone, and the lower back bones are here. So this muscle attachment from the lower back to this pelvis, and from the pelvis all the way going down to the hip, these two muscles are pulling on towards the end. So where that muscle attachment is, it is pulling on to that area, and that is what causes an irritation around that spot. So we need to relax these two muscles first, which is by putting a hot pack or allowing it to do some light gentle mobility work or some stretches to just let the muscle relax down first. Once it's relaxed, then you can go on to the next step, wherein you start to strengthen the core muscles and also your glute muscles, so that there's a balance made out there, and work towards not letting your body's mobility go down. So do activities. Do not be scared of that if I bend forward, something is going to go wrong. Try to be gentle with your body and pick up things and do things on a regular basis. Also, try not to push yourself too hard too soon and go gradual every week by week. You can also work with a physiotherapist to know that what all exercises can be done and how to progress eventually. So that would help, but don't be scared to use your body. There are times when I hear that people have had a lower back spasm and they have been asked not to bend forward at all, and they have not done it for years. So it's only an initial time frame when your back is in a very acute pain. You have to be careful, but along with that, gradual progression is needed. So don't be scared to use your body and just keep moving forward.